Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what Adolf Hitler sounded like. We'll explore how historical recordings offer a unique window into his vocal characteristics. His voice was frequently described as deep and guttural, often rising in pitch during emotional moments. He masterfully employed dramatic pauses and a varied cadence to emphasize his points, captivating large audiences. Understanding these elements helps us grasp the impact of his speeches. Delving deeper, Hitler's speeches were marked by a distinct Austrian accent, which was noticeable to his contemporaries. He spoke with an intense passion and conviction, often building to a fever pitch. Recordings reveal a powerful, resonant delivery, designed to project across vast crowds without amplification in early rallies. This commanding presence was a crucial part of his public persona, influencing many listeners. Hitler's oratorical style was highly manipulative, crafted to sway public opinion and incite strong emotions. He frequently used repetition to reinforce his key messages, embedding them deeply in the minds of his audience. Emotional appeals were central to his rhetoric, often tapping into feelings of resentment, hope, or fear. This calculated approach made his speeches incredibly effective in mobilizing support for his agenda. Preserving historical audio, like recordings of Hitler, is crucial for understanding the past. Audio archives around the world safeguard these significant recordings for future study and analysis. Modern digital restoration techniques greatly improve the clarity and accessibility of old audio, allowing us to hear these voices with greater fidelity. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.